Okay guys, so welcome back to Official HQ. Here you're going to learn how to completely clone a website, edit and republish a website. So we'll be making use of a tool called HTTracks. I believe by now you should get familiar, or you're already familiar with HTTracks, but if you're not, don't worry, I'll run you through it. So this is the guy that I'll be using for the job. HTTrack. Now, HTTrack is a website copier. It is a free tool that you can use to copy a website and access it offline. That's the job of the HTTrack. So this is a guy we're going to be using to, clone our website, edit and republish. Now, when I say edit, it's all about you re-editing the clone website using VS Code and HTML editor. Which I will also introduce to you. I talked about VS Code on my last video. You can check my channel for it. But for now, this is the httrack.com website where you can download the free version of this application. So if you want to download, you go to this download section now and click on download. So right now I already have the HTTrack on my system, so there's no need to download. Okay, so let's quickly navigate. So I'll go to my software folders where I have my software, and then I will navigate to HTTrack. Then I'll open it. So for the purpose of this class, I want to create a new folder called clone job. Let's call it clone job. Let's call it clone job. So I'll be using this guy for that. So my HTTrack is up and running. As you can see, if you are running the HTTrack for the first time, this is the interface you'll be seeing. Welcome to the Win HTTrack website copier. Please click on the next button to start a new project or resume a partial download project. So I'm going to just click on the next. After you might have downloaded the HTTrack and you install, this is what you'll be having. I'm going to click on the next. So now the first thing I will do is the project name. What is the name of my project? What am I naming this project? I can come here and name this project call it clone web. Call it clone web. And the category, this is not important, just let it be. Now the path in which I want to save this clone job to is very important. I have to go down to the folder I created on my desktop. Remember, I created a folder on my desktop. I named the folder, what was that? Clone job. Yeah, clone job. Here's the folder. I'll click OK. Now whatever I cloned will be saved into this clone job. I'm okay with these settings. I'll click on next. Now the next thing you're seeing right here is the action. This one is the action, what you want to do. So most of these things are not really important. Most are important, but I'll start with the last one. Update existing download. This has to do with you've already downloaded the platform, and as we progress, as the web developer progresses, added a new features to the website. Now you want to update that particular website to to stay in line, on train with the updated one. This is the option for it. Update existing download. This guy will help you update an already existing download. Let's say there is a new feature added to the one you downloaded. You want to update it to set up with the latest version. This is the guy for the job. Now continue interrupted download, the second one. This has to do with let's say you were cloning a platform, and all of a sudden you had a call or something happened, your Wi-Fi got interrupted. Understand? Instead of you restarting the clone website, the clone job, you can easily use this option, continue interrupted download. I need to continue from where it stops. Test links in pages, guys, are not necessary. I've not used these guys before. Download all sites in pages now. So we'll just go straight to what we are using today. Download website. This guy. Now, for the purpose of this class, I have to get a website I will clone. Now, there is a platform called dancehq.org. It's my platform though. I created this platform for dancers willing to learn skills to further, elevate their dance career. So dancehq is always there. If you check out the website, you see a lot of things. These are my instructors. These are the courses I have. I have a complete web development Node.js course. I have blogging masterclass, how to build a successful blog in 2024. I have a graphic design mastery course. I have forex trading fundamentals. I have advanced cryptocurrency courses with strategies. I have the complete course that's Pens production and Pens business. So I have a whole lot of courses here. You can check it out. Okay, you can check it out. So this is the website I want to clone for the purpose of this class. This is the website I want to clone. This particular website, I want to clone my company's website, dancehq.org, for this course. So all you have to do is double click and copy. I like this guy and copy this link. This is the link you need. You only need the link. Sorry, you only need the link for this job. So I'll go on this web address. I'll now paste this guy here, and that's all. I don't want to set any parameters. I don't want to set anything. I think I'm done. I'm okay. I'm satisfied. And this is the only settings I will recommend you do. At the end of this, I'll click on the next. Now these other options are not necessary. Disconnect when finished is not necessary. If you want to click on it, you can check on it. Shut down PC when finished. As when you're done cloning the website, you can shut down the PC. It's still not necessary. Understand? You can go for it. So I will leave these guys unchecked, then I will go on finished, and turn on my clone job starts. This is the process of cloning a website. So you give it time for it to clone. 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 Then I will show you what to do next. So I'm going to pause this video for now. I'll come back to it when this side is done cloning.
Them I want to carry me down, no. But Olu I no leave my side, though. Steady me a the young guy, do. As you see me too, me I know they smile, oh. Me I want to blow like a superstar. Kill the motherfucking show, me I no feel like. Every blessed day is another chance. If you get the time, I pray make you use it right.
So welcome back. Now it's done. Now if you run through a few errors while trying to clone the website, you can click on this view error log. You can see what errors you encountered, but for now I don't think we had any errors, so we just proceed to finish, then we're done. So once you're done, you can exit this website and go to your clone job. So I did it on clone job, and I have my index here. Sorry. Okay. I have my index here. Now you see this site is not available to me. It's not available offline. I can do whatever I want to do with this job offline. It's not available offline. I have a copy of this clone job offline. A copy of this clone job offline. So you see, it tells you the path to get this job, which is on my desktop on a folder called clone job, and you open up your clone web, which is the name of the website I gave it. Then you have the dance HQ. So this is how to get to that job. Now see the list of folders I have on this job. Now if you notice something, you might be having this folder as a clone job. Remember, the name we gave it is clone web. You forget about these guys, forget about this. You can trash these guys, not necessary. You can trash it, understand? Now you go down to the clone web. The clone web is just a folder name that houses the main folder of the job you want to see. So you can open up on the clone. You see the HT catch. You can leave these guys to be if you want extra updates. It's very important you leave it to be this way if you want to keep on updating this website and keep up with it. But if you're okay with whatever you've gotten, you can proceed. You can delete these guys out. I will just go ahead and delete these guys out. Now this is the main folder. This is the job I'm looking for, not this clone web. This clone web is housing this job. Now this is the main website itself. This is what I'm looking for. This guy right there is what I'm looking for. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'll be open to help you. When you're done, I'll teach you how to publish your edited website. Thank you. See you on my next class. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.